Hey y'all, it's Jen. I am going to be doing a flip through of this journal that I completed. I used two digital printable paper kits from TaylorMade Journals over on Etsy. They are called the Cherry Blossom kit and the Mystery of the Orient paper kit. Those are available over in her Etsy shop, and I will link that information below in the description box if you're on my YouTube channel, and in the comments if you are on my TikTok. So this journal was made using a hardcover Reader's Digest vintage book as the base. And then I added some ribbon, layered some pieces from the kits up here, layered some faux floral pieces, and added some pearls here. There's some fabric and some netting underneath the flowers here. I did add some batik fabric along the spine, more quilting fabric here, another layered image here, and this ribbon tie is permanently glued underneath these layered pieces. Now there are 4 signatures. Each signature is stitched in place using 2 different threads. One is a pink and white variegated thread, and the other one is a blue and white variegated thread. There are 48 pages front and back in the journal. My kitty cat thinks he's gonna get up here and help me. And the journal measures 5 1/4 inches by 7 5/8, and it has a 2-inch spine. Now I did include quite a few of these playing cards that I had. I sold almost the entire deck. I did keep some cards to make this journal. So these are authentic playing cards. This is a piece from one of the kits, and I backed this with butterfly pea flower tea dyed paper. So I used butterfly pea flowers and steeped them in dyed paper. The inside of the spine is also reinforced with blue batik fabric. And these pages are doubled. I made a little tuck spot here, included a piece from one of the kits that I backed with some avocado dyed paper. This is a butterfly pea dyed paper. Here's the center of the signature. Now each signature is knotted in the center and then tied in a bow so that you can untie it and add things if you like. Here in this little pocket, I included a journaling card backed with avocado dyed paper, and a postcard, and another playing card. There's another pocket here, and another playing card, and then a piece from the kit that I backed with butterfly pea dyed paper. This card I layered up. This is marbled end paper from this actual Reader's Digest book. I was able to keep the inside cover papers and use them throughout the journal. And then this is a piece of an actual page from the Reader's Digest. Another playing card here, and then a piece from the kit that I backed with avocado dyed paper. Another pocket here. This again is a piece of the end papers from the original Reader's Digest. A postcard from the kit backed with avocado dyed paper. And a piece of ephemera from one of the kits backed with avocado dyed paper. I made a tuck spot here with her. She is included in one of the kits. This as well, backed with butterfly pea flower paper. Here I used a piece to make a belly band. Included another plain card here, and then some avocado dyed paper that I cut and folded in half for writing space, and a journaling card made with a piece of ephemera, and all of that tucks into this belly band. Another piece from the kit backed with butterfly pea flower dyed paper, and another one of the playing cards. A piece from the kit backed with avocado dyed paper. This also a piece from the kit backed with another sheet from the kit that I just cut to fit. This was another large sheet from the kit that I cut down and backed with avocado dyed paper. Bookmark. Another plain card here. And this is an envelope that's included in the kit. And then a piece, this was actually a larger piece of ephemera, and I cut it smaller so that it would fit inside of this envelope. So this fits in this envelope. And this is the back pocket. This paper is included in the kit as well as this. And I included a postcard backed with avocado dyed paper and these two plain cards. Now with the journal, you will also get, if you purchase it, you will get this sheet of avocado dyed paper, as well as this full sheet of avocado dyed paper, 2 sheets of butterfly pea dyed paper, pea flower dyed paper, and then these are the last 2 pieces that I have left of these little pink flowers that I used on the front of the journal. So those will come with the journal if you are interested in purchasing it. It is for sale over on my Facebook page, and I will also list it in my Etsy shop. It takes me a little bit longer to list things in my Etsy shop though. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.